everybody. Today we're going to be showing you 5 ways that you can show your spouse that you love them.
These are really simple, easy ways to bless your husband or your wife, and I think they're really going to enjoy it and find them encouraging.
I know I did.
Today's video we are working with Grove Collaborative, which is one of our favorite sites. Grove Collaborative is where we buy all of our cleaning supplies, but they actually have more than just cleaning products.
They also have skincare, body care, hair care,
essential oils,
Care Bear.
They basically have a bunch of different stuff. We've been using them for around a year now, and we have a really cool offer for you guys if you've never tried out Grove Collaborative but have been thinking about it. If you place a $20 or more order on Grove Collaborative as a new customer, you'll get a free VIP membership trial and a Mrs. Meyer's body wash, a Mrs. Meyer's body lotion, and a Grove Collaborative loofah. So be sure to take advantage of that deal. We'll have the link below. I actually first heard about Grove Collaborative and signed up through them through one of these YouTube deals, and I have been hooked ever since.
Now let's get into the 5 ways that you can show your husband or your wife how much you love them.
Number 1, cook their favorite meal
And or
their favorite desserts.
this is my favorite.
This is super easy. This is something you would normally do. You're already gonna cook something, or sometimes you make desserts. So just surprise them with their favorite meal or dessert and they will be sure to feel loved. This is one of your favorites, huh?
Yeah. Number 2, you can go biblical by washing their feet and or a pedicure or a foot massage.
Yes, please.
Or something along those lines. Hey, maybe you could even use Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle body wash and body lotion.
Number 3 is to write them a love letter, or you could take post-it notes and write sweet little nothings on it. Just specific things that you love about them, or sometimes I'll do this for Brian, I'll even write encouraging Bible verses. And you just stick them all around the house where they'll see them. So throughout the day, they just get little surprises and encouragement.
I do like that. I do like that one. She's
Yeah.
done that for me quite a few times. Number 4, tell your spouse to relax while you do some cleaning that maybe you wouldn't typically do, just to help them out.
I love this one.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's really no big deal. I'll, pull out the vacuum and vacuum, or clean the counters, or help with the dishes. It really is a powerful way of just saying I appreciate you.
Now our last and 5th one is to surprise your spouse with breakfast in bed. I love this one. You can just make a special little breakfast, or maybe it's the breakfast that they normally like to eat, but you get up a little bit earlier than them, go make the breakfast and bring it to them in bed, and you guys can just spend some time together. It's really fun.
It is a lot of fun. So if you liked this video, 5 simple ways that you could show your spouse how you love them, then hey, give this video a thumbs up. Maybe we'll do some more of these. Maybe we'll do like a million ways to show them how to.
But be sure to go take advantage of that Grove Collaborative deal. Again, the link is in the description. Get your free Mrs. Meyer's and Grove Collaborative goodies. And we love you guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.